Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today to talk about the digital performance helmets. So in front of me here, we're going to go over their options, their features, how to change that front lens, how to pull that lens out of there, how to see the battery and everything. So the digital performance is ClearLight 2.0 technology on the lens, on the ADF, and it has a 4-year warranty. So you can see here I got black and I got the Unity edition. So this is the graphic called Unity. It's pretty cool. It's you know, for EMS, firefighters, cops, that sort of thing. Awesome though, I like that graphic. But so just to dive right into it, we got the Gen 2 Headgear. So it's a pretty nice, it's an upgrade from the classic, and it's actually a very nice, comfortable headgear. I like that back pad, kind of cups the back of your head really nicely. The headgear is the 3.5, so this is the upgrade from the classic headgear. Actually very nice, cups the back of your head. I like how it all swivels. But no, that's very nice. And then you can see on the inside here too, I'll show you right there, Digital Performance Series. They give you all the part numbers for your lenses, your batteries, that sort of thing. That's a pretty nice touch. So if you don't know what those are, you got them right there. So I'll flip it back around and we'll pop that front lens out. So all you gotta do is push those 2 buttons on the side. That lens comes right out of there. Very easy, very nice. Now remember, you got your front lens, you got your gasket there all the way around it. You just peel that gasket off and then your lens sits inside there. We'll put that back in there and I'll show you here. So when you're popping this out, it should come right out of there just like that. So on the Digital Performance Series, you can see ClearLight 2.0. We got 3 sensors, so a little bit better coverage than the classic. We got our solar backup for our battery. So all this is doing is helping prolong the battery life. It won't run just on the solar. Then on this unit, we got 2 batteries. You can see one there and one there. Then we'll flip it around here. And I got my cover right there, but we'll power this thing up. So we got our lighter, darker, that's adjusting our shade, you can see there. And this Performance Series does half shades, so we can do 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. We got our delay, short, long. We can bump that up, and our sensitivity, less or more. We have our modes, so we got weld mode, cut mode, and grind mode. So we'll go into weld, you can see shade 12. Cut mode, I believe we can go up to a shade 8, which is pretty nice. And then in our grind mode, obviously it's just a 3 shade. So it's just gonna keep it in that resting shade of 3. Remember, our light that blinks over here tells us we're in grind mode. If it just stays on, it tells us that we have a low battery. And then for warranty purposes, serial number at the top. And that's everything that you need to know about that lens. Now we'll pop it back in here. So I'll get it down in there. Just be careful when you're doing this too. Don't touch that front or the solar. Your fingerprints have oils in them, so it'll get on there and it messes with that lens. So then we're gonna pop this all back together, and just as simple as that. So actually very nice hood, and for the price point, super good. I mean, you get good quality, a little bit bigger viewing range than the classic. All in all, it's a very nice hood. So if you got any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Check out all the different graphics, and obviously we got just standard black too. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for some more.